In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the download bar in Chrome. This is a handy feature that allows you to manage your downloads more efficiently, displaying a small bar at the bottom of your browser window whenever you download something. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to open Chrome and look towards the top right corner of your browser. There you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu icon, where Chrome keeps a host of options for you to explore. Go ahead and click on that icon. Once the menu opens, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and give it a click. This will take you to a new page filled with various options to customize your browsing experience. Now, on the left side of this page, you'll see several categories. Locate and click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it governs the rules that keep your browsing experience secure and private. Under Privacy and Security, you'll find an option called Site Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up another menu where you'll configure specific site behaviors. Next, look for a section labeled Permissions. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Once you're there, you'll see an option for Additional Permissions, which is where we're headed. Click it. Inside this section, navigate and click on Automatic Downloads. Here, Chrome manages how and when websites can download files automatically through your browser. You'll now see a screen that lets you choose if sites can ask to automatically download multiple files. To enable the download bar and allow this feature by default, make sure you select the option. Sites can ask to automatically download multiple files. Doing so allows web pages to ask for permission before downloading several files at once, which includes enabling the download bar to keep you aware and in control of your downloads. Finally, there might be specific sites you trust and use frequently that you'd like to bypass the confirmation step. You can allow them to download files without asking each time. If you have such sites in mind, look for an Add button in this section, click it, and then type in the website's address. This way, you grant specific permissions to websites you trust, making the downloading process seamless and customized to your liking. And that's it! You've successfully enabled the download bar in Chrome, and now you have greater control over your downloads. This small task not only enhances your browsing experience, but also ensures that your downloads are managed just the way you want them. Thanks for tuning in, and happy downloading.